everybody, and on today's episode of Stuff and Things, we're talking about nature.
Nature, as some of us adore and some of us simply suffer through, is full of all sorts of interesting relationships. Some symbiotic, some parasitic, some just killing everywhere. Especially when you look at plants and insects behaving together. Some plants just want to kill every insect that comes near them, and some take in a special relationship and both win out of it.
Well, a mystery in Borneo surrounding the diving ant and the fanged pitcher plant has been solved, and it involves that pesky or necessary element N.
Nitrogen, if you know anything about horticulture or ecology or anything, is an incredibly important element for all plant life. But it's kind of locked. You kind of wonder yourself, hey, the atmosphere is like 79% nitrogen. Why can't we use that? Well, nitrogen itself is only unlocked through the process of a couple different bacteria. It's very rare in nature, because we manufacture those fertilizers, to actually get nitrogen. So, again, incredibly important. And if something can add nitrogen to a system, hey, you gotta keep that.
So the diving ants make colonies in these pitcher plants, which is pretty cool, which provides an increase of nitrogen from waste and other insects. For example, flies and mosquitoes, because they are stupid, end up laying their eggs in these pitcher plants, and then when they hatch, the larvae would eat all the nutrients and stuff like that. So, well, the larvae are consumed, and it keeps the N in the cycle.
Now, this whole thing, even though we've explained it and everything, it seems actually kind of simple. It's pretty obvious when you look at it that the ants are providing a benefit to the pitcher plant, therefore they let it live. But this is remaining a mystery because we haven't been able to look at that whole system. That's really the reason. It's the inclusion of looking at the larvae and how they actually interacted with the ants, and that led to people being, hey, wait a second, this whole thing works together. It's a beautiful, wonderful cycle, and it benefits both parties, and it's awesome.
So what we want to know from you guys is, what kind of symbiotic relationship would you like to be in, if you could be in? I mean, we're probably in one right now, because we have all this bacteria and stuff inside of us. But I mean like a visible one. You know? Yeah. What would you like to be? Let us know in the comments down below.
And if you've liked what you've seen today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We're there. And we'll see you on the next video.
Well, as most of you could probably tell already, food is very important if we ever decide to really make it to Mars.
Once every 17 years, cicadas like to burst forth into the world and do their thing. It's cool, it's kind of interesting, very unique little piece of life on this planet, and media misses the wonder of it.